What if you needed help or got injured, or saw someone who needs help? Welcome to the Emergency English Words and Phrases lesson that could make a big difference to save you and others in an urgent situation. Today's lesson groups essential emergency words into 3 levels: beginner words for immediate alerts and getting help, intermediate words for describing accidents and calling rescue services, and advanced words for complex or dangerous scenarios. You will hear clear definitions, sample sentences to practice saying aloud, and interactive role-play prompts with a quiz at the end. Master these and you'll communicate faster and clearer in real emergencies. First word is help. Help. This word can be a verb or a noun. It means to give or ask for assistance when someone needs support. Now let's look at 2 sample sentences, and you can practice saying them out loud.
Please help me. He has fallen and can't get up.
I am calling for help because I see smoke coming from the building.
Stop. Stop. This word is often a verb or an urgent command in emergencies. It means to stop moving, or to tell someone to cease an action. Quick tip: in an emergency, shouting stop can prevent further harm.
Shout stop if someone is about to walk into traffic.
Somebody stop that thief who took my purse.
Danger. Danger. This is a noun that means a risk of harm. Use this word to warn others quickly, for example, danger, stay back. Fun fact: danger signs are often yellow or red worldwide.
There is a danger sign. Let's move away from the building.
Watch for danger near the fire scene, so keep a safe distance.
Fire. Fire. This can be a noun or a verb. In emergencies, it usually means flames that need immediate attention. Say fire loudly to alert others and call for help.
There is a fire on the 2nd floor. Evacuate the building now.
Do not use the elevator when you see fire or hear the alarms.
Sick. Sick. This adjective means someone feels ill or unwell. Use it when describing someone to emergency responders. She is sick and vomiting.
He felt very sick after eating the seafood and needs a doctor.
Tell the paramedic that the patient has been sick for more than 2 days.
Doctor. Doctor. This noun refers to a medical professional who treats the sick or injured. In an emergency, say call a doctor if you need medical attention beyond first aid.
I am not feeling well and need to see a doctor immediately.
If the wound looks infected, get to a doctor as soon as possible.
Police. Police. This noun means law enforcement officers who protect public safety. In many emergencies, call the police if there is a crime or a threat to people.
Shout help. Someone call the police if you are in danger or if someone is threatening you.
The police arrived quickly and secured the scene.
Emergency. Emergency. This noun describes a sudden dangerous situation needing immediate help. Use this word when calling for urgent assistance like, "This is an emergency."
If someone collapses, call the local emergency number and tell them there is an emergency.
In case of a fire, follow the emergency exits so you can leave the building quickly.
911. 911. This number connects you to emergency services in the U.S. Say your location and what happened clearly when you call 911.
Dial 911 immediately if someone stops breathing.
When you call 911, speak slowly and tell them the exact address.
Hospital. Hospital. This noun describes the place where people receive professional medical care. In serious emergencies, patients are often taken to the hospital by ambulance.
The ambulance rushed the patient to the hospital.
After the accident, she stayed in the hospital for observation.
Pain. Pain. This noun means a physical feeling of hurt or discomfort. When describing pain, tell responders where it hurts and how strong it is on a scale of 1 to 10.
He described the pain in his chest as severe and sharp.
The doctor asked about the location and level of pain to decide treatment.
Accident. Accident. This noun describes an unexpected harmful event like a crash or fall. In emergencies, say, "There was an accident," and give the location.
There was an accident on the highway blocking 2 lanes.
After the bicycle accident, she had a deep cut and called for help.
Ambulance. Ambulance. This noun is the emergency vehicle that transports patients to the hospital. Fun fact: flashing lights and sirens help clear traffic so ambulances can travel fast.
The ambulance arrived within minutes and loaded the injured person.
Move the car to the side to let the ambulance pass.
Injured. Injured. This adjective describes someone who has been hurt. When you report an incident, tell responders how many people are injured.
Three people were injured in the crash and needed medical attention.
The coach checked each injured player for serious symptoms.
Urgent. Urgent. This adjective describes situations that need quick action. Use it to stress that immediate help is required. For example, urgent medical help needed.
The doctor said the case is urgent and needs surgery tonight.
Call emergency services if you have an urgent health problem like severe bleeding.
Safety. Safety. This noun means protection from harm. In emergencies, always prioritize safety for yourself and others before attempting a rescue.
Your safety comes first. Do not enter a burning building.
Check the scene for hazards to ensure everyone's safety.
Rescue. Rescue. This word can be a verb or a noun and means to save someone from danger. Rescue teams are trained to secure and remove people from hazardous situations.
Firefighters performed a rescue to bring the family out safely.
We need a team to rescue the hikers stranded on the ridge.
Critical. Critical. This adjective means extremely serious, often life-threatening. Emergency staff use it to prioritize patients who need urgent life-saving care.
The patient was in critical condition after the collision.
If breathing stops, the situation becomes critical immediately.
Severe. Severe. This adjective describes something intense or extreme, like severe bleeding or severe weather. Use it to communicate the seriousness of a condition.
She suffered severe bleeding and needed immediate attention.
A severe storm caused power outages across the city.
Symptoms. Symptoms. This noun means signs that show an illness. When describing an emergency, list symptoms clearly so responders know what to expect.
Tell the doctor about all your symptoms, including fever and dizziness.
Shortness of breath and chest pain are worrying symptoms that need urgent care.
Evacuate. Evacuate. This verb means to move people away from danger to safety. Officials may order an evacuation during fires, floods, or other major threats.
Authorities told residents to evacuate the coastal area before the storm arrived.
The building was evacuated after a chemical smell was detected.
Medication. Medication. This noun means medicines used to treat conditions. When giving history to medics, list current medications and allergies to avoid dangerous interactions.
Tell the paramedic about any medication you are taking.
The doctor changed his medication to reduce side effects.
Precaution. Precaution. This noun means actions taken to reduce risk. In emergencies, taking precautions like wearing gloves or using barriers protects everyone involved.
As a precaution, they turned off the gas before entering the building.
Always take the proper precaution when handling unknown substances.
Hazardous. Hazardous. This adjective means something is dangerous or risky. Use it to describe substances or places that require special care and protective gear.
Do not open the container. It appears to be hazardous.
Spills of hazardous materials need trained teams to clean them up.
Catastrophe. Catastrophe. This noun means a major disaster with extensive damage. Emergency planning aims to reduce the impact of catastrophes like floods or earthquakes.
The earthquake was a catastrophe that destroyed many homes.
Communities prepare drills to respond better to a catastrophe.
Now, let's test your understanding of the words. Choose the correct word that goes in the blank. In this example, the sun rises each morning to brighten our day. So the answer is C, sun. Okay, let's get started. Please blank me. Someone is trapped under the car. Shout blank if someone is about to walk into traffic. There is a blank of collapse. Move away from a building. There is a blank on the second floor. Evacuate the building now. He felt very blank after eating the seafood and needs a doctor. Call the blank if someone is threatening you with a weapon. If someone collapses, call blank and tell them it's an emergency. The ambulance rushed the patient to the blank. He described the blank in his chest as severe and sharp. There was a blank on the highway blocking 2 lanes. The blank arrived within minutes and loaded the injured person. Three people were blank in the crash and needed medical attention. Call emergency services if you have a blank health problem like severe bleeding. Your blank comes first. Do not enter a burning building. Firefighters performed a blank to bring the family out safely. The patient was in blank condition after the collision. She suffered blank bleeding and needed immediate attention. Tell the doctor about all your blank, including fever and dizziness. Authorities told residents to blank the coastal area before the storm arrived. Tell the paramedic about any blank you are taking. As a blank, they turned off the gas before entering the building. Do not open the container. It appears to be blank. The earthquake was a blank that destroyed many homes.
That concludes our emergency countdown. Practice these words and role-play the scenarios to build confidence under pressure. If this lesson helped, subscribe for more practical 5-star English tips, and thank you for watching.